Hi, my name is Muhammad. I am online freelancer and I have also created my account on guru.com and as well as freelancer.com, Upwork, Golines and Fiverr and so on. This is another new website. Okay, it's also give freelancing work. That is the name of this oneglobus.com. But in my experience, online freelancing is self-employed. Okay, and I am working here. My projects, all of them, like MS Office, okay, and also static websites, and so on. It is if you want to make a self-employed person, it is best for you to start freelance. You are enhancing your skills on Fiverr, on freelancing. What is the meaning of freelance? Freelance means work at home. That is a self-employed person. Thanks.